excited about staying here for the next couple days. This view is just crazy. It's crazy. People live like this. I mean, we're gonna live like this for the next couple days. So I'll give you guys a house tour in a little bit once the whole place is cleaned up.
We just arrived in Santorini and we just arrived at our Airbnb in Phoenicia. So it's so beautiful. It's really windy here in Santorini today, and it was also very windy in Paros. Hence why my hair is absolutely insane right now. But I'm gonna give you guys a bit of an Airbnb tour right now. Nice and open, very blue. So this is our main living area. We have some doors here that they would actually usually open, but because it's so windy, I'm just trying to keep them a bit closed. This is the view outside. I was just flying this drone right now.
I just crashed in.
Yeah, that's not good.
And it like cut off a couple things too, but it's still good.
I'll show you guys the patio afterwards, but if we come back over here, this is our bedroom. So pretty. Window right here, and then I think this is a window as well. Assuming it is a window. Let's see. That is a window, but it's not opening properly. I'm gonna close that for now because don't trust that. And in here is our washroom. So pretty standard, toilet, shower, all that. And then another window here, a garden out there. And then back this way, we have a small little kitchen, just a sink, little preparing area in the corner here, and then a fridge. And then the best part of all, we have an amazing view